ये है रेडियो मानो 90.0 FM। चलो बात करके देखते हैं।
Let's listen to Chronicles of the Past.
आदाब दोस्तों, this is Radio Manu 90.0 FM. I'm your host and RJ Himanjali, and I welcome all of you to today's segment of Chronicles of the Past, where I bring for you facts and events of significance that have taken place on the same date in history. Today is the 30th of May, and the facts are as follows. Firstly, every year on May 30th, Goa celebrates its statehood day, marking the day in 1987 when it became the 25th state of the Indian Union. Known for its scenic beaches, vibrant culture, and unique Indo-Portuguese heritage, Goa's statehood recognized its distinct identity and aspirations. The day is celebrated with pride and joy across the state, honoring its journey and achievements. Every year on May 30th, India observes Hindi Journalism Day to mark the publication of Udant Martand in 1826, the first Hindi newspaper. Launched in Calcutta by Pandit Jugal Kishore Shukla, it laid the foundation for Hindi language journalism in India. The day honors the role of Hindi media in shaping public opinion, promoting language and literature, and strengthening democracy. On May 30th, in the year 2012, Vishwanath Anand successfully defended his World Chess Championship title by defeating Boris Gelfand in a tense match held in Moscow. The victory reinforced Anand's legacy as one of the greatest chess grandmasters of all time and marked his fifth world title, making India proud on the global stage. On May 30th in the year 1955, Paresh Rawal was born, a versatile actor and politician known for his remarkable contributions to Indian cinema. From intense dramatic roles to unforgettable comic performances in films like Hera Fairy, Oh My God and Sardar, Rawal has showcased a wide acting range. His work has earned him critical acclaim, national awards, and a lasting place in the hearts of movie lovers across India. And lastly, on May 30th in the year 1922, the Lincoln Memorial was officially dedicated in Washington, D.C. Built to honor the 16th President of the United States, Abraham Lincoln, the monument features a towering statue of Lincoln seated in quiet reflection. That's all, dear listeners, for today's segment of Chronicles of the Past. I'm your host and RJ Himanjali signing off. But before I go, I'd like to ask all of you to please eat and follow a healthy, balanced diet and add more leafy greens to your diet. I'll be back with more interesting facts and discussions. Till then, please stay tuned to Radio Manu 90.0 FM.
आप सुन रहे थे Chronicles of the Past.